So I am back and I only have half of my face washed. It's some freaking avocado in my eye. So let's keep washing. Until there's no more avocado. And y'all can see a little bit on my swimmer. It's coming clean. You have to really, I'm trying to tell y'all, you gotta really rub your hands into your skin. But I like to go upward as much as possible. Upward and over, away from the eyes.
I am courageous. Okay. I am daring.
Oop.
I am
Drain that water off your eyes, and as y'all can see, this is stuck right now because it's fresh. I literally just took my eyelashes off.
I'm just
And so now, you guys, what I would do is a toner. So I'll take like a little cotton pad, dip it in some water, and let it sit on the spots that are giving you a tough time.
I'm generous.
Okay, you guys.
I'm strong.
So next is these cotton pads, like I was just saying, before I cut it
I
out.
am successful.
And you want to just take it and just
I am fortunate.
literally press
I
it.
am expansion.
It should be moisturized enough to the point that if you wanted to just sit on your face without it falling, just for like at least 30 seconds at the most, it can stay there in place. So I just poured some apple cider vinegar on my cotton pad, but first I saturated the cotton pads in water. First you have to add water, some clean filtered water, and then you're going to put the apple cider vinegar on the cotton pads. And I recommend this brand myself because it just tends to work better. You can feel that it's working. And it's like the other brands, yeah, it has very, very similar ingredients, but for some reason, this one has the live enzymes. It has organic acid in it, and it sits at the bottom, and you can see it. But yeah, just letting it sit on your face for freaking 5 minutes in spots where you want to see improvement, it's amazing. And make sure you're just relaxing and taking really deep breaths as you are doing this treatment, okay? Because it all really matters. So we're going to lift this side for a second and see if it's, doing anything. Let's see. Up. That is beautiful. That is a beautiful glow. Let's just hold it there for a second. Because right where I'm holding it at, that is where you tend to see your pores become enlarged. Yeah? And we're just going to squeeze on it a little bit. Feels so good all the while it does. Okay. And you can even switch the pad. If your fingertips are really, really clean, you can switch the pad to the other side and press along the hairline and be done with that pad. Do your eyebrows, okay? You'll be amazed if you like to shape and fill in your eyebrows. You'll be amazed the dirt you see behind, even after you wash your face when you use apple cider vinegar. You'll be amazed. So you guys, oh yeah, another tip is this one. I'm putting apple cider vinegar on my lips. Because it literally starts to remove dead skin immediately. Immediately. And don't rub too hard. That tastes good, but don't rub too hard. Excuse me for that. It was like tasty but sour. It couldn't stay in my mouth. So, you want to get some sugar, brown sugar. I recommend that. And get a little bit of honey. Mix it together. Put it on your lip. Do like that. Boom. And get some coconut oil, avocado oil. And you're done with your lip. Get a little olive oil, whatever you want to use. Vitamin E for your face. Vitamin A oil. Put it on your face. You're done with that. Now you're just waiting for your hair to get done. So if you have one of those blow dryers, I want this to sit a little longer. If you got one of those blow dryers that you can put over your head to really maximize the heat and the intensity of the moisture, do that. Or get a blow dryer, put a little heat to it. You could even like put the blow dryer inside of there and put a little heat in there and then turn it off. But yeah, at this point you just letting your hair sit. And the last tip is wrapping a towel around your head. All of this is just to retain heat. The heat really activates the product and it's going to have your hair so silky. And the product is what, guys? Aloe vera, bananas, avocado, and honey in fresh water. Not from the sink though. Okay, squeeze, squeeze. And I'm going to leave it alone for now. I'll deal with that little spot tonight. Okay? See y'all in a second. Yo, so I am back. Look at that curl. Look at my hair. It's all curly and stretchy. Oh, look at that stretch there. Now, when your hair gets into this type of texture, this is because you, excuse me for that, this is because you used avocado mixed with bananas, mixed with honey, mixed with fresh water. So when your hair is moisturized this well, it is because of why? You use avocados, bananas, honey, fresh water. That ain't the coil. But y'all know what the coil is. So yeah. Only thing left for me to do now is to wash my hair. And after I wash it, I figured that I need to clip my ends before I go into my next 1 to 2 weeks hairstyle, which might be some cute twists or something like that. So let's head over to the shower. Let's see how easily it's going to rinse out. And for my own comfort, I had on this, you know, up here. But I made that everybody know. Nobody knows if I have on pants or not. kind of do like that. If I can see you guys for a second. Ooh, look how fresh my face is just from the little avocado that hit it. Possibly. So you don't know, but this is crazy moisture for me right now. Crazy, lazy. So let's keep going. Let's get it all out, all around. Woo. Make sure you run your fingers through each strand, through each little section. Woo. Ha ha ha. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Yes, sir. Because we want to get it together, baby. Woo, and let's lock in a little bit of moisture with a spritz of cold water. Woo, there we go. Changing the temperature, baby. Changing the temperature. Woo, just to get that moisture in there. Oh, that's cold. Oh, that was cold. Okay, but y'all see what's going on, right? We're not gonna act like these curls ain't shit popping, baby. Boing, 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 baby. Oh, water in my eyes. Ugh. I'm done. And my hair's shrinking. My hair's shrinking tremendously. My hair goes past the shower, the curtain rod hair. We finna clip some hair. Okay. And this video is yo, so I am back, y'all, and my hair is about to air dry partially, and when I get the drip out of there, when it gets real soft, not frizzy though, I put this in there, so I hope this protects it from heat and frizz. But we're gonna let the hair be for a minute. So I just pulled it on up, and I just put the rubber band on there one time. Goodness gracious, I will be coiling my freaking ants for days just for a curly puff. Curly. You know what I'm getting at. When you want your curly puff, your texture to be lit, and then you start doing this with every piece of hair, and then you get them cute little curls right there. Baby, not today. But yeah, as you can see, my hair was rough and tough, and I got it in order. So now if I want to do a wash and go, wet look, high puff, and it's hot outside, that's it. And also, keep your spray bottle with you, okay? The product is gone out of here, so I just kept the bottle, and I will be spritzing throughout the day. Love y'all. See you soon. Be quiet. It's just a little snap, not a big one. And y'all can see where I need to clip my ends at, where it's kind of thin at the top. Probably need to clip it.